The Swing Squad! Golf is life. For me, kasi ano ko siya trabaho ko siya until now. So I played Paris 2024 Olympics 2 weeks ago. It was very memorable. Sobrang exciting to represent the Philippines, and hopefully 2028 maka-qualify ulit ako for the next Olympics. Start young, be patient, enjoy lang, have fun. Work hard.
Yes.
Being in the competitive side.
Yeah, competitive side.
Yes, and to be in competition, and I'm sure all athletes are stubborn to win, so of course we would want to get that win. Kung kaya niyo mag-shoot ng bola, kaya rin namin mag-shoot ng bola.
Pero yung sa amin, goal, mas malayo.
Mas malayo.
Kami ang Team Torres. Mga idol sila, so pero mas mananalo kami kaysa sa inyo.
Good luck. Good luck sa inyo. Good luck.
Enjoy the game.
Good luck, enjoy.
Abangan nyo kaming manalo sa
Bye!